Hello students, in my last video I have taught you about image formation in case of mirrors, whether it is convex mirror or concave mirror. Image formation is done up to now. If you have not seen that video, I will provide you the link of those videos in my description box. Let's start today's topic, that is numericals in case of mirrors. Okay, before going towards the numerical in case of mirrors, some points are kept to be in mind. What are these points? Number 1, as there are two types of mirror, convex mirror and concave mirror. Focal length for convex mirror is always considered to be positive. Focal length of concave mirror is negative. Convex positive, concave negative. Okay. Twice of focal length is radius of curvature. So radius is positive and radius of curvature is negative. Okay. Next point is distance of object from mirror. Distance of object from mirror, that is represented by symbol U, that is taken as negative always. Whether it is convex or concave mirrors, it is always taken to be negative. Okay. Next, distance of image from mirror, that is represented by symbol V. It may be positive, it may be negative. So when image is formed, real image or inverted word is given to you, because real image is always inverted. If image formed is real or inverted, then V is negative. And second case, if image form is virtual or erect, then V is considered to be positive. Why negative? Because let us consider this one is our mirror. This one is our object. Then distance of object from mirror is considered to be U. Okay, so this one is our U. As following the sign convention, distance is measured from pole. So when we move from pole towards object, we are moving in opposite direction, because light will incident in this way and we are moving in opposite direction, and in opposite direction U is taken to be negative. So this point is clear to you. If image formed is real and inverted, real and inverted. If image formed is real and inverted, again to measure the distance from pole to image, we have to move towards left, so V is negative. But image form is virtual and erect, then distance measurement is started from pole towards image, so it will be positive, because we are moving towards right. Okay, so this is clear to you. V is positive, V is negative, because the image form is towards left hand side of the mirror, and in this case image formed is towards right hand side of the mirror. Either you can consider left or right direction for the sign convention, or you can take, if you are moved in direction of incident of light, अगर आप लाइट के इंसिडेंट की डायरेक्शन में मूव कर रहे हैं, then in the same direction it is considered to be positive. If you are moving in direction opposite to incident light direction, opposite to direction of incident light, then being opposite, in that case distance is negative. For example, When for the object distance measurement you are moving from pole to O, means this direction, and light is going in this direction, opposite direction, U is negative. It means this one is the direction of incident of light. Okay students, now height of object. As object is in our hand, that is kept always erect. हम उसे कैसे रखेंगे? सीधा रखेंगे. So that is always above the principal axis. This one above the principal axis. As object is always above the principal axis, so it will be considered to be positive. Okay, and next is the sign for height of image. As image may be real or virtual. If image is real, then it means it is inverted. Inverted means below the principal axis it is. Below. If it is below the principal axis, following the rules of sign convention, it will be negative. So it will be negative. Okay. Next. If image is virtual, it means erect. Erect means सीधी, above the principal axis. If it is above the principal axis, height of image is considered to be positive. So these points are nothing new. These are following the laws of sign convention that I have provided you in my previous videos. What formulas are to be noticed here? R is equal to twice of F. Radius of curvature is twice of focal length. That is our first one. Second one, mirror formula 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. Mirror formula मुझे add करो. Add करो means V और U को add करो. Why I am giving this statement? It will be clear to you when you will learn about lenses. Mirror मुझे add करो. Okay. Next. Magnification, that is equal to height of image upon height of object. If it is to be count in terms of U and V, image distance upon object distance, but here with negative sign, because मुझे ऐड करो, एक बारी हमने ऐड कर दिया, मैग्निफिकेशन में से क्या करेंगे? माइनस. Soon the points will be clear to you when you learn with the lenses formulas. Okay, so let's start numerical. Hopefully points are clear. Now, what is the statement of the first numerical? That is a convex mirror. Name of the mirror is given to you, convex mirror, that is used for rear view. It means what information you are getting, that a convex mirror is used as rear view mirror in vehicles. Rear means आप बैक की चीज़ों को देखते हैं. अगर कोई व्हीकल में कोई मिरर लगा हुआ है तो उसके बैक क्या व्हीकल्स चल रहे हैं, कौन कौन से हैं, कितने डिस्टेंस पर है, इट इज़ क्लियर टू यू. सो दैट्स वाई इट इज़ नॉन एज रियर व्यू व्हीकल मिरर. Has a radius of curvature 3 meter, means radius of curvature is given to you 3 meter. If a bus is located at 5 meter from this mirror, what does it mean? If a vehicle is running and a bus is behind it, so it will act like an object. Okay, so distance of bus from mirror, that is the object distance. Object distance, it is denoted by U. Okay, that is given to you 5 meter. What you have to calculate? You have to find out the value of position, nature, size of image. It means value of distance of image from mirror nature of image and size or height of image. Got up to now? Now, what is given to you? How to write without any confusion? Firstly, mention the name, what it is, convex mirror or concave mirror. If it is lens, then convex lens or concave lens, mention it first. Okay. Radius of curvature is given to you, that is 3 meter. Now, object distance, distance of object from mirror, that is u, equal to 5 meter. Now, sign convention are to be followed, so each and every term must be mentioned with proper sign consideration. I am dealing here convex. For convex, radius of considered is, yes students tell, it is positive, so it is plus 3 meter. Object distance, that is represented by the symbol u. U is always negative, so it will be minus 5 meter. Okay. You have to find out the value of v by using mirror formula. Mirror formula, you have to mention the mirror formula. 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. मुझे ऐड करो, ऐड कर दिया. Okay. V is to be question mark, means you want to find out the value of v. U is given to you with proper sign, you have mentioned it. What is f? F is to be find out first. What is f? F is equal to half of radius. Radius is 3 meter, half of 3, it will be 1.5, but with the proper sign, so it will be 1.5 meter with plus sign. Okay. Now, substituting the values, 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. Point to be noted, the term that you want to find out, it must be kept towards left. It means I am keeping here 1 by v in left. Taking 1 by u towards right, it will change its sign. So, I have kept here negative sign instead of positive. Okay. Now, substituting the values, what is f? F is 1.5. So, 1 upon 1.5 minus 1 upon में u. What is u? Minus 5. So, 1 upon में minus 5. This minus will merge with this one. So, overall there will be plus 5. Okay. So, removing decimal, it will be 10 by 15 plus 1 by 5. Taking LCM, LCM is 5 and 15, that is 15. 15 ones are 15, 1 से multiply करेंगे 10. 5 3s are 15, 3 से multiply करेंगे 10 plus 3. Okay. So, 1 by v is equal to 13 upon 15. But what do you want to find out? You want to find out the value of v. So, taking reciprocal. V is equal to 15 upon 13. 15 upon 13 means what? You have to divide this. You will get the result 1.15. As the numerical value given to you was in meter, so it will be 1.15 meter. Okay. And answer of V is in positive sign. So, V is equal to plus 1.15 meter. Okay, image distance is positive in our present numerical. Okay. Now, what information do you get from this V is positive? If V is positive, means image is formed towards right. And if the image is formed towards the right, it means it is virtual image and erect image. So, image formed is virtual and erect at a distance of 1.15 meter. So, what information do you get up to now? Image distance or position, that is 1.15 meter. Okay. Image distance is known to you. What is the nature? As it is positive, so it is virtual and erect. Because positive means it will form towards right, and if it is formed towards right, it will be virtual. So image is virtual and erect. पोजीशन फाइंड आउट हो गई, नेचर फाइंड आउट हो गया. सो कम टू द क्वेश्चन, दैट इज स्टेटमेंट इज गिवन टू यू. पोजीशन फाइंड आउट होगी, नेचर पता चल गया. नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट? साइज ऑफ इमेज. इमेज का साइज क्या है? Was size of bus, that is size of object, was given to you? No, it was not given to you, so you can't calculate it in proper way. But in terms of magnification, it will be smaller or larger than the object, you can give an estimation. So what is magnification? Magnification is equal to height of image upon height of object. That was step number 1. Now step number 2, that is equal to what it is? It is equal to image distance upon object distance, but with a negative sign. Clear? So m is equal to minus of what is v? V is given to you. Instead of decimal points, decimal number, I am keeping here 15 by 13. So it will be 15 by 13. What is u? U is given to be minus 5. Minus 5. So minus minus merge will give plus sign. It will be 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 threes are 15. So the result is 3 by 13. Dividing 3 by 13, you will get the result. 13 twos are 26. 13 threes are. So magnification is 0.23. What information do you get from this section of answer? If magnification equal to 1, then this image height is equal to object height. If magnification is less than 1, then image is smaller than object. If magnification is greater than 1, then image will be larger than object. So in our present case, m is 0.23 less than 1. So size of image is less than size of object. Clear? So what information do you get now? Students, जब भी आप रियर व्यू मिरर की बात करते हैं तो हम वहाँ यूज़ क्या करते हैं? कन्वेक्स मिरर. तो व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ कन्वेक्स मिरर एज अ रियर व्यू मिरर इन व्हीकल्स? नंबर 1. ओके, फर्स्ट पॉइंट आपको क्लियर. रियर व्यू मिरर कौन सा है? कन्वेक्स मिरर. क्वेश्चन कैन बी आस्क्ड इनडायरेक्टली. ओके, जो इमेज बन रही है, ऑब्जेक्ट अगर 5 मीटर पे है तो उसकी इमेज 1.15 मीटर पे बन रही है, और इमेज कहाँ बन रही है? मिरर के अंदर. ऑब्जेक्ट मिरर के बाहर है और इमेज कहाँ बन रही है? मिरर के अंदर. लेकिन 5 मीटर पे नहीं, 1.15 मीटर पे. मीन्स व्हाट? नियरर बन रही है, क्लोजर बन रही है. ओके, हमें एग्जैक्ट पोजीशन नहीं पता चल पाती इस कन्वेक्स मिरर में, बिकॉज आवर ऑब्जेक्ट वाज लोकेटेड एट 5 मीटर, बट इमेज वी आर रिसीविंग हियर इज नॉट एट 5, it is very less than 5 meter. Means what? Image in the mirror is closer than actually they appear. Actually जो ऑब्जेक्ट जितने डिस्टेंस पर है उसके कंपैरिजन में इमेज कैसी बन रही है? क्लोजर बन रही है. वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट, इट मीन्स जो आपका व्हीकल है वो सीधा ही दिखता है, इरेक्ट दिखता है, और साइज उसका क्या बनता है? स्मॉल. इतनी बड़ी जो बस है वो छोटे से मिरर में कवर अप हो जाती है. इट मीन्स वो कैसी बनती है? स्मॉल साइज की बनती है. क्लियर? और एक छोटे से मिरर में नॉट ओनली अ सिंगल व्हीकल, अ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ व्हीकल्स कैन बी सीन. इट मीन्स लार्जर फील्ड ऑफ व्यू, बहुत सब चीज़ें दिखती हैं। तो आपको अब इस कन्वेक्स मिरर के न्यूमेरिकल से क्या क्या इंफॉर्मेशन मिल रही है? इंफॉर्मेशन you get from numerical number 1. Number 1, rear view mirror is convex mirror. Okay. Next, image is virtual and erect. Okay. Image is closer than object. Image is within the mirror, but object is outside the mirror. So image formed within the mirror is closer than object. Clear up to now? Next, size of image is smaller than size of object. Okay. लार्जर फील्ड ऑफ व्यू, बहुत दूर दूर की चीजें दिखती हैं। तो इसका अगर मैं कहूँ व्हाट आर द एडवांटेजेस और व्हाट आर द डिसएडवांटेजेस of using convex mirror as a rear view mirror in vehicles, what will be your answer? Pause the video, think a while, self assess whether you can respond or not. Advantage is larger field of view, काफ़ी दूर तक के vehicles भी visible हैं. Disadvantage is not exact location can be visualized, means actually the bus was located at 5 meter but image was formed at 1.15 meter, means actual location of object cannot be estimated. Hopefully आपको ये numerical clear हो गया होगा. If you are having any confusion you can ask me in comment box. Okay, in next video I will provide you second numerical so as to improve your numerical skill. If you have not सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल, सब्सक्राइब इट राइट नाउ बिकॉज 10th क्लास की सीरीज स्टार्ट हो चुकी है. एंड हिट द लाइक बटन इफ यू लाइक द वीडियो. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.